today we're gonna have Kenny from Texas and Kenny from California battle it out in our food battle. Their challenge is to have coconut powder and T-Zone's non-dairy creamer into one dish. My name is Kayla.
My name is Serena.
And we'll be judging them. Let's see how they feel about the competition.
I'm actually pretty excited. Not the biggest fan of coconut, but I like making things that I don't like taste good for other people. I'm excited to make something.
I'm feeling pretty confident, yeah. Feeling like I'm gonna win, so it's gonna be pretty good.
Looks like they're just getting ready.
It's coconut. We're gonna use this.
Oh, he got the pineapple too. What's that? It's sugar. I think it's sugar. Whoa! Wow, that's professional. I like this one. Why?
Never find out the hard way. Cup of sugar.
Oh, I can't have a lot of powder.
Fidget with stuff.
Oh, he's using a powder now.
Oh,
That's good. Or milk? Oh no. Oh, coconut. Coconut powder.
Kayla's favorite.
Wow, he has a lot of ingredients on his.
What is he will be doing today?
I don't know. Let's find out.
So we're going.
That's a lot of stuff.
Not more so.
Wow, that's a lot. Oh, the gloves. Make sure it's clean. Oh, he's using the powder too. The creamer. That looks like the creamer one. Oh, I think this one's a coconut one. Oh, he used it all at the same time. Easy. Okay.
Berry?
I think so. Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Oh, milk. Oh, back to Kenny.
Well,
He's doing a lot of work.
Yes.
no. And
What is this one for?
I think it's pineapple.
some diced pineapple seeds. You can use frozen fruit too, or flower leaves. A little toss them in. Gapes, push it right back in there.
Kung Fu.
Pizza.
Pizza. Smells so epic.
Pineapple biscuits.
Oh, okay. Yeah. You like it?
Oh, those
Wow. That looks pretty.
one stick of butter.
Oh, now that's the second ingredient.
We are missing the pineapple.
That's the coconut Wow.
Looks so good.
Wow.
What's this one for?
It's a churro.
A churro. I think it's a banana.
No, it's not banana.
Came out looking pretty low. Here's the biscuits. Alright.
Oh, that's pretty.
Lightly buttered ones.
Will he add something on the top?
Butter.
Butter.
Right. These slowly but
Oh.
surely. Gonna go ahead and toss that right on top.
Some coconut on the top.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Looks so yummy.
We will rank it out of 3 categories. There's gotta be aesthetic, so the look, creativity, and taste. Let's say like 1 is no creative, 5 is very creative.
The look. I think I vote with the California side.
That one looked really good, right?
Yeah, it looks really good. Even I didn't have to test it. I give him 5.
I think that's 5-star too. It looked very pretty. When he did it, it looked so like a sexy drink.
Yes.
Maybe I shouldn't say sexy. Kenny G's, I think that one looked good too. But that one didn't look as good as the drink. So I say I give that one a 4. And Cali Kenny, I give him a 5. How creative were they?
I think for the Kenny G, for me, I think it's 4 star.
How about the churro?
Churro, it seems like a smoothie like that. Just general. It's not very special.
Yeah.
Step on it. I give him 3.
I also agree. I say Kenny G, he was very creative in all the ingredients, so I actually give him a 5. For Kenny in California, I agree with you too. I also give a 3. Okay, so now we gotta talk about the taste of it. So I think Cali Kenny's was actually a little bland. It wasn't that good on taste. I give it a 2 for taste. For Kenny G's, oh, it was so good. I actually want him to make me more. So I give him a 5.
Wow.
It was so good. Like you can tell he put his heart into it. It was,
Okay, alright.
Alright.
This time I will expect the Kenny G will make some for me.
yeah. The winner is
Kenny G!
yeah! Congratulations!
Hey, for real? Thank you. I would like to thank Pineapples for existing. I'd like to thank Kenny for giving me the drive to be different. And I want to thank him for all the competitions to come. You'll have your moment.
So for today's battle of Kenny versus Kenny, let us know in the comments what you liked and if we should do this again. Okay, bye!
Bye!